Okay, a little quick video for people that own the BMW X3, the N20 motor. You may not have to take off your spark plug wires. They're not like, a typical, connector. What you're gonna do is you just lift it up. It's not that hard, you just lift it up. And what it does is like a little, almost like a computer plug, and it just slides right out, okay? So if you're doing that in the car and you don't know what it is, you're gonna pull this up like this one over, like this one. You see that? You just pull it up over here like this. Just pull it. And you like that. And it slides right out. All right, guys, a little quick tip, motor car nut. Please subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.